Hello students, myself Rekha Vijay, Department of Chemistry, JECRC. Today we are going to discuss experiment number 7 in chemistry lab. The object of today's experiment is to carry out proximate analysis of given solid fuel, that is coal. The apparatus or reagent we required for this purpose are coal sample, electric oven, desiccator, silica, crucible, long leg tongs. The theory of experiment is as follows. Proximate analysis is an empirical but important analysis dealing with the determination of moisture content, volatile matter, ash content and fixed carbon that provides beneficial information in assessing the quality of coal. The moisture content, it is the weight loss on heating and expressed in the percentage as percentage of moisture is equal to loss in weight divided by weight of coal sample multiplied with 100. Lesser the moisture content, better the quality of coal as a fuel, as it reduces calorific value of coal. However, presence of moisture up to 10% produce a more uniform fuel bed and less of fly ash. Second, volatile matter. It is not a constituent of coal, but it consists of a complex mixture of gaseous and liquid products resulting from the thermal decomposition of the coal substance. A high volatile matter containing coal burn with a long flame, high smoke and has low calorific value. Hence, lesser the volatile matter, better the quality of coal. Percentage of volatile matter we can calculate by loss in weight due to the removal of volatile matter divided by weight of coal sample multiply with 100. Now ash. It is a useless non-combustible matter left after burning of the organic matter from the coal. It is usually consists of silica, alumina, iron oxide and small quantities of lime, magnesia, etc. Ash reduces the heating value of the coal. The presence of ash also earlier of furnace wall, burning of apparatus, feeding mechanism and production cost. So lower the ash content, better the quality of coal. Percentage of ash is equal to weight of ash left in crucible divided by weight of coal sample multiply with 100. Ultimately, we will calculate fixed carbon. The amount of fixed carbon increase from low ranking coals to high ranking coal, that is peat to anthracite. More the amount of fixed carbon in coal, more will be its calorific value. Percentage of fixed carbon we can calculate by 100 minus percentage of moisture content plus volatile matter plus ash content. Procedure of experiment. First, clean the crucible, dry and weight. Dry coal sample in air. Transfer approximately 1 gram of coal sample to the crucible and weight it again. Keep the crucible in the electric oven. Maintain at 105 to 110 degrees centigrade temperature for 1 hour. After heating, remove the crucible. Put it into a desiccator for cooling and weight it again. The difference in weight is reported in percentage as the amount of inherent moisture in coal. Heat the dried sample of coal covered with a lid in muffle furnace. Maintain at 925 plus minus 20 degrees centigrade for around 7 to 10 minutes. Cool and wait after putting the crucible first in air then into the desiccator for some time. Loss in weight corresponds to the volatile matter contained. Heat the above treated sample in the crucible without lid inside the muffle furnace at 700 plus minus 50 degrees centigrade temperature for half an hour or until a constant weight is obtained. Next, cool as usual and weight the amount. The residue is reported as the ash or percentage basis. Let's start the experiment. Let's start the experiment. As we have already discussed, proximate analysis is a phenomena by which we can decide the quality of coal by knowing the percentage of moisture content, percentage of volatile matter, percentage of ash content and carbon content present in given coal sample. For this purpose, first of all, we have to weight an empty crucible. record the weight of empty crucible. Then we have to take approximately 1 gram of coal sample in this crucible. This is 1.18 gram. Now this crucible is placed in electric oven, which is maintained at 110 degree centigrade temperature for about 1 hour. This is electric oven which is maintained at about 110 degree centigrade temperature. This crucible is placed in this electric oven for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, it is taken out from the oven. Then it is cooled in desiccator for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is desiccator. This crucible is placed in this desiccator for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, it is weighed again at this weighing machine. Now weight is decreased due to the removal of moisture content. Further, this crucible is placed in muffle furnace, which is maintained at 925 plus minus 50 degree centigrade temperature for about 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, you can see this is muffle furnace. This crucible is placed in this muffle furnace, which is maintained at 925 degree centigrade temperature for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, this is taken out and cooled in desiccator like before about 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes it is weighed again. Now weight is decreased due to the removal of volatile matter. After this crucible is again placed in muffle furnace, maintained at 700 plus minus 50 degree centigrade temperature for about half an hour. After half an hour, it is taken out and placed in desiccator for cooling for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is taken out and weighed again. Now, the whole content is converted into ash due to the ash formation. Yes, this is complete proximate analysis. Here you can see we have to record all loss in weight at moisture content, at volatile matter and at ash content. After knowing all these weight, we can decide the quality of coal by knowing the percentage of carbon in given coal sample. These are the observation of experiment. Weight of empty crucible is 20 gram. Weight of empty crucible with sample is 21.18 gram. Weight of sample is 1.18 grams. Sample after heating at 105 to 110 degree centigrade, it is 1.10 gram. Sample after heating at 925 to 900 plus minus 20 degree centigrade is 0.99 gram, and sample after heating at 700 to 750 degree centigrade, it is 0.63 gram. Let's start the calculation. Percentage of moisture can be calculated as A minus B divided by A multiplied with 100. Here A is the weight of coal sample, B is the weight after heating for moisture content divided by total weight of coal sample multiplied with 100. The moisture we will get 6.77%. Second, percentage of volatile matter, it is calculated by B minus C divided by A multiplied with 100. Here B is the weight after heating for moisture content, C is the weight after heating for volatile matter divided by total weight of coal sample multiplied with 100. Now the percentage of volatile matter is 9.32%. Percentage of ash we can calculate as D by D divided by A, multiply with 100. D is the residual weight left in crucible, divided by total weight of coal sample, multiply with 100. Here it is 53.38%. Now percentage of fixed carbon we can calculate by 100 minus percentage of moisture plus percentage of volatile matter plus percentage of ash, and it is 30.53%. Now these are the results or achieved outcome we will get after this proximate analysis. The precautions you have to follow: the weighing should be taken up to 4 decimal place. After the heating, the crucible should be removed with the help of long leg tongs carefully. The heating should be done by raising the temperature at slow rate. These are the Viva questions related to experiment. Thank you.